Howdy Panthers, it's Miss Lindley. I'm here to demonstrate how to set up your fermentation lab. So we have chosen the Trix cereal, yummy, I know. We have a little snack bag, 10 milliliters of water that we've warmed up, yeast, and a spoon where we've kind of marked off so that we measure the same amount each time. Alright, so you're going to take your bag, open it up, take your cereal or whatever we're using for fermentation, add it to the bag. So colorful and pretty. Add your 10 milliliters of the warm water. Okay. I'm going to let that sit for a minute while I get my yeast ready because I want it to soak up a little bit so that way it's easier to mush. Now, with my yeast, I'm going to measure this amount marked off by the line, add it to my bag, close this up. Now, this is very important. You're going to lay your bag down and try to push as much air out of the bag as possible. And then seal it up real tight. Okay, so it should look like this. Kind of gross looking, right? Now, very carefully smush your cereal or whatever you're using. Smush. And as I smush, my yeast is mixing with the pieces of the Trix and the water. Just going to keep smushing. Maybe do a little mix. Ideally, we want it to be integrated completely. Keep smush. I'm being very careful not to break my bag, not to push too hard, because we want to keep the bag intact. All right, so I'm going to lay it down on my table, just like this, and after some time, we're going to come back, and we're going to see how it looks. Hey Panthers, we're back. So we've waited a little bit on our bag. As you can see, there's all this air. But where did it come from? Maybe you should look at your lab sheet to see if you can answer that question as to what air is inside our bag.